Well, he's fixing a camera. Or trying to, I should say. Some type of old Kodak camera he found. And the flash doesn't work on it, so now he's trying to fix it. Let's see if he can do it. Can he? I don't think so.
Probably not.
He's got some screws out, so I wonder how many more to go. My arm is shaking. Do 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 do.
You can just keep videoing because I don't know if it's going to come apart or not.
Gotta be smarter than the camera. Oh, my one video's done.
Yeah, no, forget about recording because I can't.
Well, I guess he can't figure it out. Do do do.
Yeah, well, you can put it away now.
Oh no, this is more entertaining.
You just set it aside and forget.
My one video's done. This is more entertaining. Well, it looks like he can't figure it out, so I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.